Hello everyone, my name is Raquel Ellis. I am a junior social work major and I am currently enrolled in a Tuesday-Thursday 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Social Work 300 Computer Applications in the Social Sciences Fall 2018. Today I'm going to talk to you about the research I did on the GSS data. The GSS data is similar to a Louisiana project that we did previously, and we basically use a code book and we run SPSS on the data. So getting into my abstract, the data used in this research is from the General Social Service Surveys, also known as GSS. The respondents that participated in the survey is from the National Opinion Research Center, also known as NORC. The variables that were taken from the data set were sex, AB rape, known as she became pregnant as a result of rape, and race. The topic of rape has always been a controversial topic to discuss, but adding race into the topic causes research participants to cognitively think. The connection between a female being raped due to race will be analyzed in my research. Okay, getting into my introduction. There has been numerous studies done for GSS among Americans to receive insight on how things are interpreted. In my study, I would discuss my independent, dependent, and controlling variable in my research. I was given a set of variables by my last name. My job upon receiving the variables was to identify a bivariate and multivariate hypothesis. Once that was completed, I then analyzed if my independent variable affected my dependent variable. As you view my work, you will see the connection between rape and race and how race has an influence on it if he or she is raped and can get pregnant. So for the methods that were used for this data, the methods that were used to gather this data was used by the interviews held by the National Opinion Research Center. The NORC used a standardized questionnaire. GSS has a cumulative data set, GSS data, that merges all 23 surveys into one file. Researchers may use this data file to identify trends among Americans concerning attitudes, beliefs, opinions, and behavior. The results I gathered from using sex, AB rape, and race is The results from the survey included a large percentage of females became pregnant as a result of rape compared to males. In a bivariate hypothesis, 45.3% male respondents said yes for pregnant due to rape, and 38% said no to pregnancy due to rape. 62% of females respondents said no to becoming pregnant due to rape. The number of female respondents that say yes to the pregnancy as a result of rape is 54.7%. For the multivariate hypothesis, race is the control variable, and white males respondents say yes for pregnant due to rape is higher than Black and other male respondents. Black female respondents that say yes to being raped have a higher percentile of 48.4 than whites and other female respondents. In all three control variables, the female population remains the highest of yes respondents. So I'm going to zoom in into my data tables. So here is the table 1. This is my bivariate hypothesis, and it lists the male and female respondents. And then here's my table 2, which is my multivariate hypothesis, and it has my controlling variable, which is also race. And here is a continuation of my multivariate hypothesis. So getting into my conclusion, the variables I was given mainly appealed to the female population because a female can be raped and become pregnant, whereas a male can be raped but not become pregnant. My independent variable will only affect the dependent variable if it is a female that can become pregnant due to rape. One of the ways that dependent variable can work as a response of no is if a male was raped. Ideally, it is impossible for a male to become pregnant, so in that case, the independent variable does not influence the dependent variable. when the control variable is added to the hypothesis, is now concerning race as an influence on the independent and dependent variable. So thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye.